Hi, Pam here, your own personal fitness trainer. So today is a total body muscle definition workout, and I'll tell you more about that in a moment. So I did want to say thank you so much to all my subscribers out there, because I'm really happy to have you. And if you're new to the channel, join us, come on aboard. Just click on that subscribe button there, because it's free on YouTube. That way you can follow my hundreds of workouts that I have. Just look on a playlist and other funky kind of videos that may or may not interest you. But you'll find tons of workouts. So here we go. Dumbbell thrusters. So grab a pair of dumbbells and hold them next to your shoulders. Your feet are shoulder width apart, and lower your body into a squat, and then push your body back to the standing position as you press the dumbbells directly over your shoulders, and then lower the dumbbells back to the starting position. And I just am showing you 8 reps because we have a lot of exercises to do. It's a good exercise. So same thing, I'm just showing you a bit of a front view, and I did 2 to 3 sets of each exercise. However, you want to do, depending on your level, what you feel you're capable of. And always use your good judgment. Dumbbell straight leg deadlift to a row. I have 2 15-pound weights. So you want to have a pair of dumbbells, hang at your arm's length in front of your hips, and bend at your hips, and keep the natural arch in your back, and lower your torso into the bent over position. And then you want to pull the dumbbells to the sides of your torso, rowing those weights. And then come back up to the starting position. So there you are, bend over, do the row, back down, roll back up. And just turn into the side a little bit. The main thing is you do not want to round your back. So you do that by sort of keeping your eyes fixed forward. And I did several sets of this exercise. Single arm reverse lunge and press. So you want to grab a dumbbell in your left hand, hold it next to your left shoulder, step backward with your left leg, and lower your body into the reverse lunge as you simultaneously press the dumbbell straight above your shoulder. And then return to your starting position. For video time's sake, I'm just showing you 6 on each side. So now we're on the right side, and we're doing the exact same thing. We're holding it to our right shoulder, stepping back with our right leg as I lunge. You have to really focus and think about what you're doing, and you just can let your other arm hang down by your side. Dumbbell hammer curl to lunge and to a press. So you want to step with your left leg forward in a lunge position, and at the same time you're doing a bicep curl. Then as you're in that lunge position, there you're pressing them up overhead and you're stepping back. It's starting all over. So there you are, press it straight up, back to your shoulders, back down. There, bicep curl. You gotta follow those different steps, and you really have to focus and think what you're doing, because you're doing multiple things here. Working multiple muscles all at the same time. You really want to keep your eyes fixed forward as you do it. keep in mind you're pressing it up in that lunge position overhead. So there you have it. I showed you 4 different muscle-defining combination exercises, and you really need to focus on your steps for them. And I did a lot of sets because I did a lot of takes, and I really was getting a good sweat going. And you will too, because it's going to burn a lot more calories. And then you want to mix in your other muscle building workouts as well. So, till next time.